Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Study Point. Today I have a very useful trick that is related to the acclaimed work of Geoffrey Chaucer, and the work is the Canterbury Tales. Here you are seeing on the whiteboard. It is considered that this acclaimed work is written between 1386 to 1395. It is considered also that this piece of poetry and the acclaimed work of Chaucer was published in 1387. I have pointed out some important words from this piece of poetry and this piece of work that is very famous by Geoffrey Chaucer. And here you are seeing these words on the whiteboard. The first word is acclaimed work. Second is collection of stories, 29 Pilgrims and Shrine of Martyr. I have pointed out these words for you because with the help of these words you can remember well the Canterbury Tales. What is given in the Canterbury Tales, you can remember it with the help of these words. So keep in mind these words. Let's see. The first word is acclaimed work. The Canterbury Tales is the acclaimed work of Geoffrey Chaucer. And the second word is collection of stories. Yes, of course, Canterbury Tales is a collection of stories. There are 24 stories in it. And 29 pilgrims. There are 29 pilgrims in Canterbury Tales, and all the pilgrims were going to Shrine of Martyr. The Shrine of Martyr. Who was the martyr? The martyr was Saint Thomas Becket. Saint Thomas Becket was the martyr. And on the way they stayed at Tabardin. Harry Valley is the name of the host and the owner of the Tabardin. And story contest. Harry Valley, the host and the owner of Tabardin, suggested to all the 29 pilgrims to play a contest of storytelling. And out of 24 stories were told by the pilgrims. And 24 pilgrims told their stories. And it was very interesting. So I have a trick to remember the names of all the pilgrims. Although there are 29 pilgrims in this acclaimed work, but out of 29, 22 are main characters, main pilgrims. So I came in front of you with the names of only 22 pilgrims, and these pilgrims are very important and the main pilgrims. So let's see how can we remember easily the names of these pilgrims, these 22 pilgrims name. And the trick is, you can see I have written here 4 times P, 4 times S, 4 times M, double C, double F, dry, DRY dry, GKW. This is the trick for you to remember easily the name of the 22 pilgrims out of 29. Let's see. Let's apply this trick and find out the result. So let's apply. Here you are seeing that the 4 times P's are written. 4 times P's are written here, 4 times S are written here, and 4 times M's are written here, double 2, double F, tear dry, and GKW. You can remember this trick very easily because you can remember 4P, 4S, 4M very easily, and double 2, double F, and dry, GKW. Okay, then let's apply. Please the foreigner. and the plowman. And PC, the person. The race. And you can see 4 time P's are the names of the pardon, the plowman, the person, the peregrines, and the SQUIRE, the square, and the Sumner, and the shipman, and sergeant of law. Okay, and after P is yes, and the number is of M, applying the trick of M. M is the monk, the municipal, and the merchant, the monk हो गया, M for the monk, M for the municipal, M for the merchant, and M for the miller. M for the miller, C for the cook, and C for the clerk. It's very necessary to notice that the is common in all the names. Here you are seeing the is applied before each names except sergeant of law. So we also apply here the clerk of Oxford. Okay, and here for the farrier, and the farrier and the Franklin. Okay, and D for and R for Y for D for the doctor. Or physician, and R for the reeve, Y for the yeoman, and Z for the grieve, G for guildsman. Sorry, G is for the guildsman, and K for the knight, and W for the wife of Bath. Okay, now you have seen that this trick is very useful and very easy to you. If you remember this trick, you can easily and well learn all the names, all the 22 pilgrims name. Okay, let's see the trick once again. 4 time P, 4 time S, 4 time M, double C, double F, dry, and CKW. Here this is written here with the numbers. Here you can see the name starts with the number 1 and ends with the number 22. So 4 time P, 4 time S, and 4 time M, double C, double F, dry, and CKW. Okay, it's confirmed, it's clear. You can apply it by writing 4 or more than 4 times. If you want to remember, use this video again and again, near about 4 or 4 plus And if you want well learn this trick, you should watch this video 10 times. Okay, now it's time to go and come back in front of you with the major facts of the Canterbury Tales. So subscribe my channel to keep updated yourself. Because I'm coming back after just after this teaching. Next video will be the major facts of Canterbury Tales. Okay, then bye bye.